Good evening. Yes, correct. So, what can we expect? Are you excited to watch Project Baby?
Of course, excited ako mapanood yung movie nila. And I'm here to support everyone dito sa movie na to, especially Sue, Anna. So,
What do you think we can look forward to? Or what are you looking forward to specifically?
wala naman. Na-expect ko syempre, ginagaling lagi naman ni Sue sa kanyang mga movies, binibigay niya lahat sa 100% sa kanyang mga projects. So, excited ako to watch that.
And we're actually asking everybody this question kasi gender reveal ang theme namin. Team boy ka ba or team girl for Project Baby? Ano sa tingin mo?
Team girl ako, syempre.
Team girl. Love that. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
joining
Thank
us.
you guys. Enjoy the movie.
You may go
Picture
ahead
lang muna,
and
picture.
Thank you once again, Project Baby Grand Premiere Night here in Eastwood. Dominic Roque entering our cinema right now and enjoying our photo booth area as well.